All are eager to partake in the festivities. And this year, Sinulog 2025, according to our sources, estimated 4 million people joined the celebration. In the streets, meron ding mga vendors ng mga Sinulog headdresses, temporary tattoo, and street foods, and street party. Puto bongbong.
Hi.
50.
350. May bango sir, 200.
Pausa.
Mga sir, 250 sir.
Spotify! Alright, let's give it up for DJ Bray!
Sinulog Festival is among the most vibrant celebration in the Philippines. A celebration of faith and culture, held annually on the third Sunday of January in Cebu City, in honor of Child Jesus or Santo Niño. Basically, the festival is done by a dance ritual, in which it tells the story of the Cebuano people's pagan past and their acceptance of Christianity. The word Sinulog comes from the Cebuano adverb sulog, roughly means water current, describing the forward-backward dance movements. Participants clad in vivid, colorful costume performing dances to the rhythmic beats of drums. And the streets comes alive with the throngs of onlookers, vendors, and performances. All are eager to partake in the festivities. And this year, Sinulog 2025, according to our sources, estimated 4 million people joined the celebration. And along the streets, meron ding mga vendors ng mga sinulog headdresses. Temporary tattoo. And street foods. And street party. Yan, merong mani, cook or hilaw. At meron namang corn dito sa kabila.
Shutdown dia ang Kupiko Blanca.
Puto bongbong.
Siapkan itu. Langka. Pila.
150 na kilo.
Ha?
150.
Kadang kagmay lang.
Gani.
Ito gamay lang.
Ako? 65 lang naman. 65. Ilan? 65. Oh, shout out ko ni Bronco. Ayun lang, boss.
At dahil nauuhaw tayo sa kakalakad, bili muna tayo ng mango shake.
Ilan na, amiga? How we go? Ila?
Sa motor, bagay kasada. Once you know ka na, di ba ka na, bicycle rin. Bicycle.
Ganito ka dami yung tao guys, ganito ka congested. Hindi pa tayo nakaabot sa Puente Osmeña nito. And earlier at the Magellan's Cross, sa gilid lang po ito ng Basilica Minore del Santo Niño.
Amahan na sa mga langit, iniyan ang mga
And back to the parade. At ginabi na po pala tayo.
Basta, sinulog, senior, itong patron, kasi sila pa. Shout out sa shout out. Kasi mong page live, follow na ka.
At dahil nagugutom na po tayo, puntahan naman natin ang iba't ibang food park dito sa Cebu City. Dito muna tayo sa The Barracks ng Freedom Park.
Wala ito ka lagi ng ice cream, no?
Right, Pisinio, harapong ka na si Buano!
nyo po yung ceiling, napaka-unique. Merong bakat. Ano ba yung bakat sa Tagalog, guys? Comment down below. Barangay Rebitan, eh? No. Dito naman tayo sa newly open na Puso Village. So, opening pa lang ito, guys, kaya hindi pa masyadong maganda dito sa loob.
Paano, sir? Kaya 350, sir. 350.
50?
350.
Flash lang hindi ka rocket.
Naibango, sir, 200.
Kausa?
Mga, sir, 250, sir.
Tuslo buwa. Sa kabila naman tayo, malapit sa Santo Niño Chapel.
Nasa trapit. Trapit lang mo. Madri ka pa kay Order din.
Hirap lang ako.
Ay, anas ba oy? Kaya dream ka una.
Ate, tagan sa lang mo sa order. O, tagan na siya.
At kung gusto nyo naman pong bumili ng Sinulog souvenir t-shirt, meron din po dito malapit lang sa Cebu City Hall. Pasalubong. At mga native products.
Kaya ako din sa'yo.
Damo dagan dito, kanina. 130 ni. Ang bata, 100. Hindi lang nadagan sa malabay din yung mga. Asa man ano may labay na, tag na yun ang labay dito, itapat na sa ba?
And we are down to our final destination, Plaza Independencia. Bukod sa food park, meron ding street party dito. Meron din naman sa Puente Osmeña, mas marami doon.
Alright, let's give it up for DJ Bray! It has been a great night with all of you Cebuanos. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. And I believe that this has been all of the performances that we could offer for this celebration. Alright, and this has been once again Comparis Wet Philippines, and we want to remind you to keep hydrated. And with that, we are selling Comparis Wet in this booth for 500 ml for 40 pesos only. So once again, make sure to replenish your body fluids and have a great night, Cebuanos! Thank you so much!
At hanggang dito na muna ang ating video for today. Sana'y nag-enjoy po kayo sa Sinulog 2025. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon para ma-update po kayo sa mga bago kong upload. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Much love from Ate Mira Vlogs. Pits in you, everyone.